Hello, my name is Beijay Tion, a licensed professional teacher, former elementary teacher of Amigos School of Kalinan, and I am currently on the Registry of Qualified Applicants or RQA with the Department of Education of DepEd. Preparing for a licensure examination for teachers or LET is a crucial step in your career as an educator. To help you succeed, here are my valuable tips that I applied during my review for LET way back 2019. Number one is master core competencies. The LET covers wide range of subjects that from Gen Ed or General Education, Prof Ed or Professional Education, and Specialization. Focus on mastering the core competencies in these areas. Reviewing the exam and past exam can guide you on what to expect. So break down the syllabus into a manageable section. Set specific goals for each week, ensuring you cover all topics into before the exam. So regularly review and set yourself in the key concept. Reinforce your understanding. Number two is active learning or constructivism. Don't just read passively. Engage with the material by discussing, teaching others, and using practical examples. Active engagement helps solidify your understanding. And number three is practice mock exams. Take time, practice exams to simulate the actual test environment. Analyze your mistakes afterward to improve and adjust your study strategy where needed. And number four is inclusive mindset or social constructionism. Understand the importance of inclusive teaching and prepare to address the diverse needs of students in your future classroom. This will help you think beyond exam and consider real-world application, especially in the Prof Ed or professional education. There are a lot of situational questions. And number five is manage stress and stay positive or essentialism. Practice relaxation techniques to manage test anxiety. Maintain a positive mindset. No? Again, maintain a positive mindset. Kung isipin nyo palagi na kaya mo yan, no? And visualize success and stay calm to perform your best during the exam. So these steps help me stay focused and organized during my preparation. And I am confident that it can help you too as you work toward becoming a licensed professional teacher. So thank you very much.